This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Stauffer. 36 Slip-on K Dock. Great facilities and home to one of the best managed marinas in the PNW. Keyless entry, full-service laundry and shower building. Picnic area with outdoor games, barbecue, and seating areas. Wonderful marina store with cafe and local artwork displays, short walk to the inn at Semiahmoo with restaurants, spa, pool and pickleball. Marina has Wi-Fi, activie yacht club, and recently resurfaced dock. Great place to moor your boat. Length overall is 38. For more information, review the details below.